Is Vanguard a brokerage? Vanguard is indeed a brokerage firm, but it is not your typical one. Most people associate Vanguard with its mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, but the company also offers a broad array of brokerage services, making it a key player in the financial world. In fact, Vanguard manages over $7 trillion in global assets and was founded by John Bogle, who invented the index fund, revolutionizing the investment world with low-cost funds. Another little-known fact is that Vanguard is unique in that it is owned by its investors, not shareholders, meaning the company operates at cost, which translates to lower fees for its clients. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Now that is out of the way, let's continue with our video. As a brokerage, Vanguard provides access to an array of investment products, including individual stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and options. There are no commissions for stock or ETF trades, which is now standard in the brokerage industry. However, Vanguard's strength lies primarily in its low-cost mutual funds and ETFs, which have been its mainstay for decades. These funds are particularly attractive to long-term investors due to their industry-leading low expense ratios, with Vanguard's average mutual fund expense ratio at just 0.09%, far lower than the industry average of 0.37%. One of the primary advantages of using Vanguard as a brokerage is its emphasis on low fees and investor-friendly practices. For example, Vanguard does not accept payment for order flow, unlike many other brokers. This means that the company does not receive compensation for routing its clients' orders through specific market makers, aligning its operations with its clients' best interests. Vanguard's commitment to client-first practices can also be seen in the absence of inactivity or account transfer fees, and the ability to avoid the $20 annual account service fee simply by signing up for electronic statements. However, Vanguard's brokerage services do come with some limitations. Active traders, in particular, may find its platform less appealing compared to more robust brokers. The trading platform is often described as basic and somewhat clunky, lacking many of the advanced tools that are common with other brokers such as TD Ameritrade or Charles Schwab. Moreover, Vanguard does not offer access to more exotic asset classes like cryptocurrency, futures, or foreign exchange, FOREX, which could deter traders who want more flexibility and variety in their investments. For retirement and long-term investors, Vanguard's no-frills approach and solid track record of low fees and reliable execution make it a compelling choice. But the brokerage is not without its drawbacks. The lack of fractional shares for individual stocks, only available for Vanguard ETFs, the relatively high options contract fee of $1, and limited customer service hours compared to other brokers are all points of concern for some users. Furthermore, setting up an account can sometimes be cumbersome, particularly for those who prefer a streamlined, modern onboarding process. In some cases, users have reported difficulties funding their accounts through smaller banks and credit unions, which might require old-school methods like mailing a physical check. Overall, Vanguard is a brokerage designed with the long-term, cost-conscious investor in mind. Its emphasis on low fees, client-first practices, and a stellar lineup of mutual funds and ETFs make it an excellent choice for passive investors focused on retirement or wealth building over time. However, those looking for an active trading platform with a wide range of asset classes might find other brokers more suited to their needs. Vanguard's simplicity, while beneficial for some, could be a downside for investors seeking a more comprehensive trading experience.